Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Carmine from New York, photo class 686. This is the follow-up to the previous video when I unboxed a well-used, this one, Canon EOS 5D Classic, otherwise known as the Mark I. I picked it up for $131. Okay, photo class 685 was the unboxing, and now I took this camera out. I photographed it around my neighborhood.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down over...
When you buy a used camera, whether it's from mpb.com like I did, not a sponsor, you have to check a few things. All right, let's just go over the list quick, and we're going to look at the photographs. Here's a photograph anyway.
I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too.
All right, that was a teaser of the photographs you're going to see taken with this camera. $131. All right, when you buy a used camera, check out the physical condition. All right, now as you can see, like I can see, there was no dents, chips, obvious signs of a fall. So physically, exterior wise, oh, by the way, I added, I had this in my collection. It's the battery grip. And so physically, great condition. Okay. Now, how's the shutter and the controls? Okay, let's see. Sounds good. All right. Let's take the lens off. And the lens in this case is my lens, the 28-105 Canon. Okay, so we'll check that out. Let's see if you guys can see well. Okay, shutter, fine. Okay, put the lens back on. Accuracy, well, here's another photograph. You tell me if the shutter's accurate.
Hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And now this shit wasn't blood. My mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity.
Okay, next, the controls. Okay, so we go to the menu. Okay, and you scroll down, you check out all the controls. The PASM dial, fine, worked fine. The shutter button, fine. The dials, okay, you have two dials, right? One on the top, one on the back, worked fine. Next, the sensor and image quality. So I checked the sensor, right? You can lock up the mirror to clean the sensor. So I cleaned it, and it wasn't dirty. Obviously, mpb.com had cleaned it before they shipped it out. No scratches, nothing obviously wrong. Here's another photograph to check out the sensor.
Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other.
Okay, next, how you have to check how's the autofocus and the lens mount. The autofocus worked perfectly. It nailed every shot. The mount, right? You check the lens mount. There were no obvious signs that somebody put a 800 millimeter lens on it and it pulled out the lens mount, which does happen. So that was fine. Next, you have to check out the battery slot, the card slot, and all of the connections, right? All of the connectors worked perfectly, good condition, no corrosion. Okay, so let's keep going. Oh, the card slot, I have a card in there. Okay, the card slot is perfect. And when you have a card slot with a CF card, you have pins. All the pins were nice and straight. Okay. You're thinking the same thing I did. You bought a well-used camera. That must mean high actuations, high shutter count, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. You can't check it with the Canon EOS 5D Classic. The official word from Canon is that this camera's firmware does not output the actuation data. So you cannot check how many shutter actuations this camera has because the camera won't tell you. It's that way in the firmware. Now, Canon has changed the firmware over the models, right? So you can check it, but not in this one. So you have to rely on the output. So what's my determination? I like it. I'm glad I bought it. It does still have a 6-month warranty since it just arrived yesterday. And I'll put it through its paces again and again and again and again. And before the 6-month warranty clock runs out. Enjoy the photographs. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Comment below on where you're watching this video from. And become a member of this channel. It's like $1.